Alright, welcome back. This is Livin, you guys. We've had an extremely stressful morning trying to figure out where to surf because there's a massive northwest swell hitting North Shore right now. We thought we were going to go to Pipe, we thought we were going to go to Phantoms, and we've now ended up at an outer reef that looks really fun, and we might be surfing Pipe this evening as well. So we're going to go get a quick session out here. It's like 15 to 20 feet, pretty sick, and it should be a really good day. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, check out the merch. Thank you guys for the support. It's time to get ready to go surf some big waves. It is massive and early. Good morning, people of YouTube. Oh, the sun's just coming out. That's nice. It's been so cold here, we need that. But there's this giant swell that is here right now that I predicted to be a little smaller than this, and I thought Pipe was going to be really good, but as you can see, it is way too big for Pipeline right now. But we're going to go check some outer reefs, maybe launch the jet ski, and see what my friends are doing. I just got a call from Mason Barnes. I'm going to call him right now, see if there's an outer reef that he's looking at. Oh, there's potential. Did I just go out solo? Okay, I'll let you know in like 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Alright, bye.
Okay, bye. Mason wants to go surf an outer reef. I want to watch it here for a little bit longer just in case it turns on, which it could, because the swell is peaking right now, and it's supposed to be dropping all day according to the buoys. And if it just drops a little bit, Pipe's going to be really good. So we'll see. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, check out the merch, check out the signs. If you guys are in Hawaii and you see signs like that, listen to them. Because I've watched people just sitting on the beach get sucked out to sea and have to get saved. I've had to save people, my friends have had to save people, the lifeguards save people every single day. Listen to the signs, everyone. Okay, keep me posted.
Yeah, shoot.
We're gonna go check Phantoms right now. Big outer reef wave in front of my dad's house. Whoa, song. Now we're gonna go check this wave. It's probably gonna be too windy, but if not, it could be a really fun session. And I want to say the waves are dropping, so I don't know what to do right now, because we could either go out and surf, like get all ready to go out and surf a big outer reef with all our gear and stuff, and then all of a sudden by the time we actually get out there surfing, the waves could be dropping, and then I'll be out there and I'll be like, Pipeline's good, and I'll be freaking out. So I don't know what to do. I'm already freaking out. This coffee's hitting. I'm not as tired as I was a second ago. Just as I suspected, it is too windy here out of Phantoms, and it is honestly not that big for some reason. So I'm back in a situation that I don't know what to do. I need a hat that says I don't know. That could be like my catchphrase. I don't know. Where do you want to surf? I don't know. Pipeline. Oh, I don't know what to do.
Alright, I'm watching it. It is fucking slow out there.
Damn it. Mason's tripping. He's like, it's firing, every wave's barreling.
I don't know, man. I'm looking at it with binos from up high. I got a perfect view of it.
Yeah, he's looking at it like a little behind it, lower than it. Alright, well thank you for the report. Now I have to confront Mason about his lies. I just talked to Billy and Healy and they said alligators isn't that good.
Billy didn't look at it, and Healy looked at it from a shitty angle. It's not that good. It's not pumping. But fuck, where else? Nowhere's pumping.
What about Waimea?
No, it's 10 foot There's literally 15 foot left out here, and it's clean, and there's no one out.
Oh, okay, I'm coming over with all the stuff to look at it.
I don't want to serve. I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm fine with that. But come look at it.
Okay, I'm grabbing everything, and I'm coming to look at it. I can't promise I'm gonna surf, but we'll see.
That was a sick wave.
I'm coming over. I'm actually coming over.
It's the same size as that fucking knife.
Okay, I'm coming over.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. We're going to go look at this wave in front of Mason's house. And that's it. That's final. My truck got stolen. If you see it, let me know. But I have to figure out how to get these 10-foot surfboards into this tiny little car that's full of shit right now. We'll make it work. Now, the preparation of getting ready for big waves is so much more extensive than normal waves. That's not gonna fit. If I had my truck, this would be no problem, but some chronic stole it. Mason, these boards, there's no way they're fitting in my car.
Really?
Not a chance. You gotta come get me.
Okay, I'm coming right now.
Watch us go through all this stress and trouble for it to just turn into a pipe swell real quick. So these big wave leashes, I'll show you. They're not like your normal leash you just put on a normal surfboard. You have to actually tie them on because I guess it's way better chances of it. Honestly, I don't know why they do that. It makes it a little more frustrating, that's for sure. You can't just switch them out.
What can I ride?
I can't get this fucking leash string on, dude.
Yeah, this might be an assistance moment.
Ow.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Yeah, go ahead and help him.
Oh, help him, please.
How big is this thing? 9.6. Can I ride this one?
Yeah.
Here, I got it for you, dude. Thanks, cuz. You boys need anything else?
Look how small that thing is to him.
This is how we prepare for the biggest
Breakfast.
of the biggest.
What you guys got?
Breakfast.
Wow,
What y'all made?
So good.
Why'd you make tater tots at 10 a.m.?
We're in. You want any tater tots with breakfast?
Oh, yeah. I guess so.
It's like a hash brown.
Yeah, you're right. Wow. Good call.
So good.
Power. Hey, is this base coat?
Gates open.
Hey, where do we paddle out here and then we cut across?
Around the right.
You go around the right.
Yeah.
I think we should cut across.
Breadstick, step up.
Thank you.
Go, Matt.
Got
You excited for me? Way on there. Wow.
I gotta blow air into this thing. It's a full vest and a life jacket. Yeah, I know, but we could get way more smoked right here.
Not on the right.
Oh yeah, I watched one close out.
But these ones are barreling. These ones aren't barreling.
Those are tiny.
That's not tiny wave. You're high.
Big wave barns.
Small wave Poa.
Oh, calling big waves small. Da, 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 da. I have a song so stuck in my head right now. We are halfway out. The last time, say 25 minutes. Where are we? Successful session. That was really fun. I kind of got a head dip on one of those things. Coming in. But the energy has definitely dropped off quite a bit. The waves got a little bit too small for out there just now. So we're gonna head down to Pipeline and just watch it until it gets good or until dark, because it could just turn on. I'm gonna be exhausted by the end of today. I'm gonna be really burnt. I'm gonna have a tan, crazy tan.